Hey you guys, welcome back to an all new video with your girl Tanya. So today I am actually going to be taking you guys along with me decorating my Christmas tree. I am so late. I normally have it up a week before Thanksgiving, but I guess I'm just being really last minute lately. So here I am putting up my wreath. I found this snowflake wreath hanger from Ross. It was so cute, so cheap. I got it at a great deal. Also, I got this wreath as well from Ross. It was super cute. I had to have it. I do a winter wonderland theme every year, so this was perfect. Here I found this calendar countdown to Christmas at Ross as well. Now this does not go with my theme, but however, it was super cute. I liked it. I think I paid like maybe $2.99. If it wasn't $2.99, it was no more than $4.99. I can't remember. But I love it because it lights up. I love a lot of lights. I think lights just add extra touch to your home and just make it cozy around the holiday time. So we had to have it. And I like the little candy cane. You can put that in as you count down each day. So we have fun with it. But until I find an affordable one that looks good with my theme of Winter Wonderland and it's not over 30 and up, I'll grab it. But in the meantime, we're going to keep this one. And there's nothing wrong with it. Doesn't match, but I love it. So yeah, I'm going to put up my daughter asked me to grab mistletoes this year. So I grabbed a few extra ones. So yeah, now I'm just going to start assembling the tree. Let me tell y'all, I found this tree at the Goodwill. I went to the Salvation Army first and I couldn't find one. And I went to the thrift store, Goodwill, whatever you prefer to call them. This was only $27. And this is a 7'5" tree. So, yeah. And it's pre-lit. I love it. Of course, you can probably see, because I always spray mine with artificial snow. It's just getting everywhere. So yeah, here are the ornaments that I have. I try not to purchase anything new this year. I really wanted to just use everything I had. So I'm just going through and taking out the things that's broken, seeing if there's some things that I can refix, retighten up. I love these skates. I got those from Michael's. A lot of stuff I got from Ross, Burlington, Michael's, Old Time Pottery, Dollar Tree, Walmart. So yeah, I'm just going through some stuff. And Garden Ridge. No. Not Garden Ridge. Big Lots. Yeah, I couldn't remember. But yeah, a lot of stuff is kind of mixed in everywhere. So as you start to see, I was having a hard time figuring out the direction I wanted to go with these ribbons. I didn't want to do the same thing that I did last year. I bought some white ribbon, but I don't know. It just didn't do it for me when I was looking at it. So I was like, So I'm just going to tuck the ribbon in between the branches so that normally they do pretty good with holding after, especially once I put the ornaments on, they kind of keep them in place. Every now and then I do have to go in and retuck them, and so yeah, blue. Winter Wonderland is usually just a white, silver, gray for me, but I have a nephew who has autism, so I always want to incorporate blue. I thought that was super cute to have a pop color, and with my nephew having autistic and blue is one of the colors, I decided to always just incorporate blue on my tree every year. So this is actually the color I would do every year. I would just add like more decor to it, change it out, switch it up. So Winter Wonderland will always be my decor go-to, that color. And then I always just add blue in and for him. I always have a hard time hanging up these doves, the wings. I call them doves wings, but they're so heavy. So I always try to add them higher to where I really want to put them. And that way when they fall, they'll be right in the part that I want them on. Yep, so now I'm just going to start filling in the tree with my tree picks. I have a few that I really, really hate that I couldn't use this year because they were glittery and the glitter came off. So I need to get some Mod Podge glue and then go buy more glitter. So just go in and do a little DIY and kind of revamp them. Maybe I'll use them next year. But I'm going to play with this tree, I think probably up to Christmas. So by the time you look up, I'll probably then redone it. I don't know. I'll probably do updates on the tree throughout the process. But yeah. The girls wanted to come in and put the ornaments up. And I enjoy doing the Christmas tree with the kids. But I'm telling you, the OCD in me, I was like, oh my God, it's not where I want it. So once they left out, I did go in and tweak the ornaments a little bit more. But it's one of my favorite things I love to do is making memories with my girls. And they look forward to this every year, decorating the tree with Mama. Mr. Josiah here, you can't see him. Oh, there you go. He was in the bouncer fussing. He wanted a little bit of attention, so we had to go all lean over and start calling out his name, giving him some attention. He was like, what about me? Oh, so this tree skirt I actually got from Burlington. It's from the BB collection, from their Christmas decor. And when I tell you, it's so fuzzy and it matches my decor to the T. And I love the artificial snow. It just adds an extra look to my tree. So normally I go in and I spray real heavy. I think I use just about 3 cans on my entire tree. I wanted to get rid of all the green, the pines. I wanted to get rid of all of the green, and I wanted my tree completely white. Yeah, I'm not mistaken. I believe I did 3 cans. Oh yeah, because it's an artificial tree and I love the smell of pine, I had to go get some Febreze air fresheners and candles. As you can see, I'm still not satisfied with the tree. I don't know. I ran out of ornament hooks, so I couldn't add the remainder of my ornaments. So I think I'm going to have to run to the store tomorrow and add a little bit more silver, a little bit more blue, a few more glitteries, and some metallics. I'm just all over the place with this tree. Overall, I'm still satisfied with it. But once I get some more ornaments and I re-update it, I'll do another video showing you guys what I did different. So yes, this is it. This is what the tree looks like. Those deer antlers, I got those from Michael's as well. The skates, those were from Michael's. But yeah, this is my Winter Wonderland tree. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a phenomenal day. Bye.